Hello there. Today, I'll be reviewing the hair transplant results of some international celebrities. First, let's talk about Jamie Foxx. Over the years, it's clear he's had a very sharp, low, and aggressively corrected hairline at the corners. This is an African hair transplant. To achieve such a crisp, boxed hairline, it appears that either FUE or DHI hair transplantation was used, likely combined with micropigmentation. Sharp corner lines have been created that are consistent with natural ethnic hair patterns. Because the low hairline is so aggressive, it requires regular maintenance. Overall, the result here is a very clean and aesthetic hairline, created through a combination of DHI or FUE hair transplantation along with micropigmentation. Now, let's move on to Wayne Rooney. Rooney is a famous soccer player. He's one of the celebrities who has openly confirmed having a hair transplant. He typically had level 3 or 4 hair loss, particularly along the front line. Looking at it, it appears he's undergone 2 sessions of hair transplantation. In the first session, the front line was transplanted and defined, while the second session focused on increasing density through further transplantation. I estimate that a total of around 4,500 grafts were harvested and transplanted. Since the donor area was strong, the density is successful, though some thinning is visible at times. It seems there's a need for medical treatment here as well. Overall, it's a successful, dense result, but there's still typical male pattern hair loss present. The patient has a hair structure that requires ongoing care. Next, I'll talk to you about Lewis Hamilton. In the early years of Hamilton's Formula One career, he had widespread hair loss and thinning, especially in the frontal region. Looking at his current appearance, he has a very dense and strong hairline. I believe that here too, hair transplantation using DHI or FUE was performed, likely alongside hyperpigmentation. I suspect micropigmentation was also used. Due to the curly nature of African hair follicles, a high density effect is achieved with fewer grafts. This is because we can achieve a much fuller look with curly hair. With straighter hair, the resulting density often appears lower. This ultimately depends on the patient's own hair type. It appears to be a high-quality hair restoration with approximately 3,000 to 4,000 grafts transplanted. Overall, there's a dense, prominent, and very well-defined hairline, resulting in a technically successful look. In conclusion, these international celebrities' hair transplants are quite successful, each using a technique and design suited to their age. If you have any questions about hair transplantation, feel free to contact us.